In this session, we are going to learn the 7th chapter, Probability Distributions. In earlier standard, we have studied the random experiments and sample space corresponding to the random experiments. In this chapter, we are going to learn the basic concept random variables. When we consider any random experiment, we are often not interested in the outcomes of random experiments, but only in the sum number obtained from the outcome. For example, consider the experiment of tossing two coins. Then the sample space S is equal to HH, HT, TH and TT. Both are heads. First is head, second is tail, and third one is first is tail, second is head, and both are tails. So total number of sample points are HH, HT, TH and TT. Now here, if we consider the variable X, which denotes the number of heads when two coins are tossed. X denotes the number of heads when two coins are tossed. Then X takes the values 0, 1 and 2. 0 means there is no head, 1 means there is only one head, and 2 means both are heads. So 0, 1, 2 is the set of possible values. X takes the values 0, 1 and 2. X denotes the number of heads. So there are possible values are no heads, that is 0. X is equal to 1, that is only one head. X is equal to 2, that is both are heads. So possible pair is, if X is equal to 0 is TT. Here both are tails, no heads. So such pair, number of such pair is only 1 in this experiment. If X, variable X is equal to 1, that is only one head. So the possible pairs are HT and TH in this experiment. So there are two pairs. So value of X is equal to 1 is equal to 2. And if X is equal to 2, that is variable X is equal to 2, means both are heads. The possible pair is HH and value of X is equal to 2 is equal to 1. Such a number is variable. So the value of this variable depends on the outcome of random experiment. Therefore, it is called random variable. These values are depends on the random experiment, outcome of the random experiment. There is only one pair which belongs to the random experiment. These two pairs belongs to the random experiment. Third pair belongs to the random experiment. So such a variable depends on the outcome of random experiment. Therefore, it is called random variable. And this random variable is generally denoted by capital X, capital Y and capital Z. Now, the proper definition of random variable is, random variable is a real valued function defined on the sample space of random experiment. It is a real valued function defined on a sample space of random experiments. So the domain of random variable is the sample space of random experiment and codomain is the set of real numbers. The domain of this random variable is sample space of given random experiment and codomain is the set of real numbers. So X is a real valued function such as sample space S to the real numbers R is random variable. We will use the abbreviation random R dot V dot in place of random variable. Here we will use in short R dot V dot in place of random variables. Now there are two types of random variable. First one is discrete random variables and second one is continuous random variable. So the definition of discrete random variable is a random variable if the number of its possible value is finite or countably infinite. The experiment is called the discrete random variable if the number of its possible value is finite or countably infinite, then the random variable is called discrete random variables. The values of discrete random variable are denoted by non-negative integers, that is 0, 1, 2 in this way. For example, number of children in a family, number of heads in tossing a coin thrice, number of stars in the sky. These are finite or countably infinite. So these are examples are the discrete random variables. And second type is continuous random variable. If the possible values of this random variable form an interval of real number. This type of random variable, the possible values of this variable form an interval of real numbers. For example, heights of trees in a forest, weights of students in a class, age of a person, speed of vehicle, and so on. Now let's see the example on random variable. So let's see the first example on the random variable. Let x represent the difference between number of heads and number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. What are possible values of x? Here the random variable x represents the difference between number of heads and number of tails obtained when coin is tossed 6 times. So x denotes the difference between number of heads and number of tails when a coin is tossed 6 times. When coin is tossed 6 times, then we get the sample space S is equal to, in this sample space, first pair is, there is no head, all 6 are tails. So pair is 0h and 6 tails. Second pair is only 1h, then the remaining are tails. So 1 head and 5 tails. Next possible order pair is 2 heads and remaining out of 6 times 4 tails. Now the next pair is 3 heads and the remaining 3 are tails. Next pair 4 heads and remaining 2 are tails. Next pair 5 heads, then the remaining one is tail, and the last one is all are heads, there is no tail. When coin is tossed 6 times, then the sample space containing the order pairs 0h, 6t, 1h, 5t, 2h, 4t, 3 heads and 3 tails, 4 heads and 2 tails, 5 heads and 1 tail, and 6 heads and there is no tail. So here the given variable is the difference between number of heads and number of tails. So variable x is equal to the difference between number of heads and number of tails, that is 0 minus 6. Subtraction of number of heads minus number of tails. So the first value is 0 minus 6. First difference is 0 minus 6. Second difference is 1 minus 5. Difference between the number of heads and number of tails, that is 1 minus 5 tails. Now next difference is 2h and 4t, that is 2 minus 4. Next difference 3 minus 3. Now The next difference is 4h minus 2t, that is 4 minus 2. Next difference 5h minus 1t, that is 5 minus 1. And last difference of heads and tails, number of heads and number of tails is 6 minus 0. So the last difference is 6 minus 0. Now by calculating this difference, we get the values 0 minus 6, that is minus 6. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Next one is 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. Next difference 3 minus 3, 0. Next difference 4 minus 2, that is 2. 5 minus 1, that is 4. And last difference is 6 minus 0, that is the value 6. And these are the values of variable x, which represents the difference between number of heads and number of tails. So the question is, what are possible values of x? These are the possible values of variable x. Possible values of given x.